I'm eating a lot of biryanis and burgers lately. It's making me feel sluggish and down with spirit. Do you think the same? Yes, whenever on a daily basis, if I'm eating all these junk foods, I feel the same. So, usually, this happens because toxins getting deposited in your body both physically and mentally. So, on a regular basis, I used to have a detox day which helps me to remove all these toxins both physically and mentally from my body. So, let us see today typically how a detox day for me looks like and what I do on that day. So what all you need for a detox day is one whole day for yourself to pamper yourself and clean yourself and enjoy yourself. So usually I'll have a Saturday like that because Saturday and Sundays are week offs for me. So I chose one Saturday in every month to have a detox day. So let's get started with what all I do on a detox day. So typically on a regular detox day for me look like having fun and relaxing entirely. So my day starts with a wonderful and fantastic 10-hour sleep, right? Usually I have 6 to 7 hours sleep every single day. That's the max that I'll sleep. But on a detox day, let's say on a Friday night, I'll try to sleep a little more faster, but like keep an alarm for 10 hours from there. Until then, I'll sleep happily. So once I wake up, my body feels lot refreshed and relaxed. That is how my detox day starts. So after that, what do I do? Usually after waking up, we should have water because when we sleep, our body won't get water for 6 to 7 hours, which is really bad. So once after you wake up, if you have lots and lots of water, your body will be immediately recharged and can do things in a much more better way. So on my typical detox day also goes the same, but as it is a special day, detox day, I'll add lemon and honey to lukewarm water and I'll take one bottle of it. So as soon as I take it, you know what lemon and honey can do? They make things move in my tummy and clear it off nicely. So yes, so first part is done. All my toxins internally are cleaned off. So now what? I want to relax my muscles. Yes. So usually I go for workout and exercising and stuff. But on a detox day, typical detox day, I go for a long run, long walk, long jogging, whatever you might think. I just go to enjoy the nature. Around 6 o'clock, I'll start from my home. Till 7, I'll try to run, jog, whatever it might be. I love to listen songs at that time. I'll think of my life in a very positive way, all the good things that are happening to me and feel blessed. So that 1 hour is for that. So by this, I'll relax both my muscles a little bit and also my mental stress will be relieved. So yes, so that is also done. So now what? I go for a steam bath. I want to remove all the toxins from my skin pores. I want to remove them completely. So I go for a good steam bath. There is a salon near my home. I pay $200 and take like 15 minutes of time slot and nicely have a steam bath and return home. Sometimes if that's not possible, I'll also take a hot water shower, which is very important to remove all these toxins. So yes, that's how I remove the toxins from my skin. So now what? A lot of things are already done, right? So now I want to relax my body in a much more better way. If you are a person who is into yoga, obviously I am a person who is into yoga, so I do Surya Namaskaras. I'm not that crazy into yoga, but I know these basics and I love to do those. I try to finish 4 to 6 cycles of it and relax my body completely. But if you are a guy who are into stretches and stuff, go ahead, do that. Whatever it might be, try to relax your body and muscles as much as possible. So yes, with this is also done. Now coming to food. Yes, as today is detox day, I'll be completely away from bad food, especially sugars. So now I'll make a smoothie. This is detox smoothie. This will have any seasonal fruit with 1 cup of oats and some low-fat milk. That's it. I'll blend all these and I'll have 1 or 2 cups of this smoothie. So now let's see a little more about the food that I take. as this is a detox day, I won't completely eliminate all the bad stuff from my body. So I don't also want to intake any of the bad stuff. So I'll be far from sugars, refined foods, processed foods, any of it. So mostly on the second meal of the day, I'll try to take boiled carrots, boiled peas, and mashed potato, something like that, some veggies. On the third meal, I again try to take fruits like seasonal fruits, bananas, watermelons, strawberries, pineapple and stuff. So if you are also following this detox day, take this food habits very seriously. Don't take any of the junk food, don't take any of the processed or refined foods. Stick with fruits, they are safe. So yes, that's typically how my food looks on a detox day. And now the rest of the day is your time. It's your time either to pamper yourself or do a lot more personal stuff. I also set this day for my grooming habits. So usually I groom myself and do all the little things that I wanted to do for the entire month. And then I'll try to give some space to my personal life. I'll have some family time. I'll spend time with my parents or siblings, whatever it might be. Right? I'll go out, go for a mall or a movie with them, have some fun, hang out with them. That's it. And after coming home, either I'll try to go and meet some of my friends, or I'll try to call them, talk with my close group of friends. At least once in a month we have to do it. So yes, I'll keep this time for that. So either I do a video call or group chat, whatever it might be, we will hang out for a bit. So typically this is how my detox day looks like. So I hope you also will form something like this, which is very important, guys. See, we spend a lot of time on many unwanted things. So try to spend one day in a month for your better being. Try to educate your parents, your friends to have such kind of days which will refresh you and completely change your way of living for the upcoming weeks. So try to do this and try to have this good habit. So what do you think of this day? Do let me know your views in the comment section and share your thoughts with the viewers. If you're new to this channel, I'm Gautam Pothireddy. We talk all about men's fashion, fitness, lifestyle and health. This is my Instagram ID. Do check out my profile and follow me if you like it. And thank you so much for watching this video. See ya.